With another video, we're doing Mind of God. I went virtual speed dating. Cougars love me. Let's get into it. I can see that. I mean, he got a personality. He good with kids, but he kind of mature. So I don't know. We gonna see. Let's get into it.
Shout out to my boy Kai Sinat. I've been seeing the virtual speed dating. So today I will actually be going on some virtual speed dates with y'all. So let's see how this goes. The point of this is to entertain y'all and find some love. Let's see what's going on. Let's see, can Mod find love on the internet today? Let's view Josephina's profile. She could sing. I like to jump off boats when you go on vacation. You 28. Okay. You're getting your second master's in divinity. I don't know what that means. Is this working now?
I'll help him. Go to church, Mod. I'm sorry, I'm really petty. Good job, girl.
Josephina didn't pick up for my date? That's crazy, Josephina. Jada loves to cook, Southern cuisine, love reading. Oh, Tay.
Hello, how are you?
Hold on, Jada. I can't even see you right now. Hold on, Jada. Give me 1 second. The screen, the profile joint is in my way. What's up? Why can't I see you, Jada? Yo, what's up, Jada?
Hello. How are you?
I'm doing good, Jada. Where you from?
Baton Rouge, Louisiana. Where are you from?
I'm from New York, but I'm in the A right now. You see, I got a good Yankee brim on. You know.
I see you. What you doing in Atlanta? So you live in Atlanta permanently, or just visiting, or?
Nah, this is where I live at now. I stay in the A now. This is my new city.
Okay. Just moved from Atlanta actually a year ago. So.
You left the A?
I left Atlanta.
To go to the Lou? Why?
I'm from Louisiana.
So you went back home?
I went back home.
Okay.
Yep. So what do you do? What do you do in Atlanta? Or
shoot. I just make it happen. That's me. That's me. I'm a make it happen type of guy. You know?
Okay. You're a New Yorker for real. Y'all make it happen.
Yeah, we make it happen. Have you done this before?
No, this is actually my first time.
Okay, look at us. We're both speed dating virgins. This is dope right here. You both speed dating virgins. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
How was your day?
I work about 12, 13 hours a day. So
doing what?
Getting off from work.
12, 13 doing what?
I work as a contract analyst for Arizona State University remotely, and I do.
Go ahead, girl.
He's a 2 snaps, and I'm an attorney advisor for the SBA. So it's hectic at the end of the year. Like, it's a lot going on. Like, I wish I was just island alone, but I'm just, in my go-getter stage right now. So.
Okay. What music you like? Who's your favorite artist?
I love rap. I love hip hop.
Who? That's I rap. So
Oh, okay. So Kendrick Lamar is one of my favorites. I love him. Like, that's just like the best. Oh my God! I can't wait to see he put his new album out. I can't wait to see go on tour. I don't know, like Wale. I love J. Cole.
Ooh, J. Cole. You should definitely look up this.
I like Wale.
This guy, he's like in that group. His name is Mod the God. That's me. That's me right there.
Okay. I like Major 9 too. I just got turned on to him recently too.
I don't know Major 9. I don't know that.
Go check him out. Major 9.
Okay.
And, love R&B, but we got 20 seconds, so it was nice chatting with you.
It was definitely this was good vibe. This is my first experience. You just took my speed dating virginity, so I appreciate you. You know me?
Well, thank you. I hope it was an enjoyable experience.
No, it was definitely great. Enjoy your night.
You too.
All right. Yo, Ty.
Yo.
What's good?
Do I know you?
Yo,
Ty. Do I know you?
How you know me?
Do I know you, man?
Where you look familiar from? Nah, you don't know me, Ty. Where you smoking a blunt, Ty?
No, I was just fucking with you. I don't know you. I don't know you.
From Ty, you smoking a blunt?
I don't know what you're talking about.
I see you smoke, Ty. What's going on?
Hey, I don't know what you're talking about, man.
What you mean you don't know what I'm talking about, Ty? You getting high?
Oh, you got tequila?
A little tequila, you know, a little Tremana, you know, a little Tremana.
Okay. What you doing over there?
Shoot, just chilling, Ty. You know, ain't nothing going on but a little relaxing.
Okay. Well, I ain't started sipping yet, so.
What's that though? What you got? That's the Zaza. That's the good weed.
Jose.
That's the good. That's the good.
Silver. Yes, got to have it.
Where you from, Ty?
Up north. I'm originally from Virginia.
Word. Okay.
Yeah, but I'm in Bama now.
Word. Okay, I'm in the A. I'm from New York.
Oh, for real? I was digging your energy. Yeah, I did get energy.
Come on, it's one-of-one energy. You know you ain't getting energy like this nowhere else. You ain't getting energy like this nowhere else. So, what got you on the app?
Just getting back out there, man.
You getting back in these streets.
They vibing on a whole nother level, y'all.
I'm trying to do a little something. I'm looking rough as fuck, but I was like, you know what? Hey, it is what it is.
It is what it is.
I was like, okay, I'm about to go in here and cut my hair. I was like, I ain't gonna do it yet. Because I don't want to get stuck. I cut my own hair. I got a long mohawk.
Oh, okay. Mohawk.
So I cut my own hair. I don't let nobody mess with my hair.
Okay.
But, yeah.
How old are you? How old are you, Ty?
Old enough to know better.
Woo, shucks. My sweetheart. I don't know, bruh. She real close to Social Security, maybe. That may be what she trying to tell you, bruh. She said she could school you, teach you some things.
Don't play around with them, Ty. Don't play around with them now. Don't play around with them. Old enough to know better.
Hey, do you look like you got your setup where you do like a podcast or something, or you do music, or what you on?
Yeah. I'm a
She on it though. Good guess. Ty ain't playing.
rapper, so like, yeah, this is my little desk where I like record, but I got like a USB camera, so like I can do everything from right here. Yeah, this is my vibe right here. This is definitely my happy place, you know?
Okay, cool.
Would you write off the phone with it?
Huh?
You write off the phone with it? Like you on the phone?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, yeah, I'm off the computer right now.
Okay, got you.
Okay.
Got you.
Okay, Ty. It was nice. It was definitely nice meeting you, Ty.
Yeah, it was definitely nice meeting you. I dig your energy, man. Keep in touch.
Yeah, definitely we gonna keep in touch. You know that, Ty.
All right, we gonna see.
Don't play with me. Ty's a freak. Ty was a freaky lady. Tell Ty stop playing with me. This got me. Everybody getting high but me. I done got over there. They was just getting high. Like, what's up? What's up?
Hey.
What's your name?
My name's Mariana. And yours?
My name is Maud.
Maud, okay.
Yeah, that's
cool.
How
was your day?
Very calm. Very, very calm. Very calm. I took a couple naps today. I've been stressed out. I went to jail the other day, but not for no crime, you know? For non-violence. You know, I got pulled over with a suspended license, so I've been just getting my life back together.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah.
Yeah, I used to do those. I had to quit that.
You what?
I had to go sit my ass down somewhere.
What you mean? You used to do what? What you used to do?
Driving without license.
Oh, so that happened to you before, so you know where I'm at. You knew where I'm at. Yeah, they got me for like $3,000 the other day. It was tough. It was tough experience.
That's a lot. Where are you from?
I'm in Atlanta.
Oh. Dang, they really charge that much for that? The most they give you is like a $250 ticket.
No, they handcuffed me. They took me in, and you know I ain't wanna go to jail, so I bonded out before jail. And you know when you go to jail, bail is cheap. Like I would have paid $300, but I ain't want to sit in no cell, so I paid the $3,000 to get out early. You know, that was my vibe. Where you from?
I'm from Fayetteville, North Carolina.
J. Cole City?
Yeah.
Do you like J. Cole?
Yeah, I mean, I like his music. Yeah, it's good.
I love J. Cole. Okay. What you smoking on over there?
some weed, but I kind of put it down. I was smoking my vape because I wouldn't know how some people would be.
Good, look, I'm like 30 days sober, but I was smoking the Zaza for 8 years. Smoking that good Zaza. Where you from originally? Fayetteville your whole time?
Yeah.
Strong. You strong. Look at you. We here, we talking, we laughing, we smiling. That's good.
Yes,
we good. I love the natural.
All right. I think he feeling her a little bit. He like her hair.
Thank you. I actually just cut it recently.
Oh, for real? Why'd you cut it?
My ends were looking pretty bad, so I just decided to do a chop.
It was long down, or it was just a bigger fro?
It was like to my shoulders.
Okay, I like the natural fro. Do your thing, shine bright, girl.
So do you have any hobbies?
Yeah, I rap. That's what I do. I rap. That's usually what I spend my time doing. I look up to J. Cole. That's why I was like, Fayetteville. It just hit me in my heart. You know?
Okay.
Oh, we about to be done.
I enjoyed our conversation.
I did too. Damn, me and Mariana was having a good conversation right there, man. Shout out to Mariana. This is mad fun. Cause I can just put smiles on the ladies' faces. Like, it don't even got to be that serious. Like, I can just put smiles on faces, you know? Two, what's good? I don't know what day of Vlogmas it is. Just know your boy's been super consistent. Hold on, let's check the drip today. You feel me? Something super calm. Little sugar on the top. Little essentials on the pants. A little dot on the feet. You know, a little Nike on the feet. Other than that, as you guys know, Zeus, he has a wing shop in Atlanta. It just opened, so I'm about to go test out the wings and pause. But you feel me? I'm gonna test out the wings for the end of my vlog and say what's up to your boy. Hold on. Yes, sir.
Boy, it's from Rusty to Spicy, man.
Don't get fucking what?
I'm fucking making my debut on my God Vlogmas. I'm my second.
Nah, yeah. You was already dumb funny on the phone. I'm glad you would bail me out, my boy. I'm glad you would bail me out.
Still, I fucking got you on the game. That ain't nothing to me. But I still didn't understand why you called me. Nigga
VJ said, I'm your brokest friend.
He said you was desperate.
It was like stupid. Yo, other than that, y'all, I'm about to go try these wings. Let's go see. All right, y'all. I'm back in the crib. The cut is cutting. I'm getting my hair done tomorrow. But this is that good Zeus. Yo, these fries, I'm telling you, these garlic palm fries is ham. I gotta figure out how to make these in the crib. I got the Korean one. These look special. I'm not gonna lie, they look special. Let's see. Is Zeus wing season busting? The fries is 100% sturdy. The fries is busting. Oh my god. The fries going crazy. For the fun. Yeah, my cut is really cutting. Shout out to the barber. But see what these wings hit about. Yo, this is good sauce. I think I got the Korean barbecue. These shits is awesome. This is awesome. I definitely would recommend y'all go out and try this spot. Yo. This with the garlic palm fries? Oh shit. Other than that, y'all, people always say when I eat food, I make it look good. Other than that, y'all, hope y'all enjoyed this vlog. Another day with your biggie.
All right, like, comment, subscribe, share if you care, click the bell, become part of the Notos